Hey everybody, it's Dippy, and we have Riley and Ellie. Today we're going to talk about homeowners association. Is this your guys' home?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Guess what we're going to do?
Yeah.
We're going to talk about the benefits and drawbacks of your homeowners association. Do you like homeowners associations?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you?
Yeah.
Yes, she does. One of the advantages is things like common areas, yards. Do you play on the grass?
Yeah.
So that's a positive, right? So did you girls know that homeowners associations cover things like painting the outside, helping keep things clean? Look, over there, a pressure washer. Do you know what a pressure washer does? What does it do? What does a pressure washer do? It swipes off all of this. Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. First, we have to turn it on. Come here, press the button. Press this. Come on, you're so... Turn the button on. Push down. This one. Ready? Whoa! Is that cool? All right. Here we go, it's time to clean. Done. Only problem is, it's so clean there, you're gonna see Dippy for about 6 more years. So we're gonna have to clean this when we're done. What do you think of that?
Clean. Yay.
Now we're headed to the pool. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What do we do when we come to a street? Hold hands, and first is do what? Go or stop?
Stop.
Stop. Go? No, always stop. I never say never and I never say always, but you always stop at a street. We're headed to the pool. Let's go. This way. She said the flowers are so pretty. You know who pays for those? Who? The homeowners association. Well, they don't actually pay for it, but it's part of your fees. Are you allowed to pick the flowers?
No.
Nope. I won't do it then. All right, let's go to the pool. Now you'll notice there's a sign here. HOAs have rules and regulations. This says do not take any dogs or other pets into the play area. So guess what happens if they catch you with a dog in there? What could they give you? A fine, and they have to pay money. Do you like to pay money, earn money, or spend money? Do you like to buy things or sell things? Buy things? What do you like to buy?
I like to buy special treats when I'm good.
Special treats when you're good. All right, well, this is going to be a special treat when we're done. So this HOA includes this beautiful kiddie park. We have the magic key. Another thing you can't do is let people come to the pool that don't pay for the homeowners association. Would that be good or bad, Riley? Bad. She's right. Water. Wow. All right, now we're at the pool, right? Is this the pool?
Yeah.
And this is a kiddie pool.
Yeah.
Now I noticed another rule and regulation here. Come take a look. This way. Over here. This says no diving because it's only 1.5 feet deep. In other words, if you dove, you could get hurt, right? There's also something you never want to do. That is be at the pool without an adult, right? You never ever want to come to a pool if there's not an adult present. So I was thinking about taking a dive. Would that be a bad idea? That's right, that would be a bad idea.
Yeah, but what's he doing?
He's trying to dive and it's showing that he's breaking his head.
Why?
You don't want to break your head, do you? So you never do that.
Yeah.
So these are the bonuses of an HOA. You get all of this included for your monthly HOA fee. So if you like what you're seeing so far and you want to learn whether you're an adult or a young kid that's looking at buying, selling, or investing, and probably the best thing you could ever invest in on planet Earth, real estate, subscribe, like, and comment. So one of the benefits is you don't have to pay for a pool cleaner. Look how beautiful this pool is. So now we're headed back to the house to talk about maybe some of the disadvantages of an HOA. Ready, girls? Let's go. Another disadvantage of HOAs are things like this. This fence can't be built on the other side of these bushes. So then you have to ask, why does this guy get a fence all the way to the bushes? Well, the rules say that if you've already had a fence, then you're grandfathered in. So sometimes you can have things like conflict between neighbors over issues. That's another disadvantage. But overall, HOAs do their best to make everyone happy, just like Dippy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, I'm out of breath. So to wrap this up, there's many good things and there's many bad things that could happen in an HOA. The bottom line is, get more information before you make a move or buy a home that has an HOA so you can feel comfortable. And remember, if you like this video, share it, comment, subscribe, and we're doing this to educate people, having fun. Maybe it'll inspire one of your kids to buy a home and have one of the best financial assets that you'll ever buy. Hey, look who's coming, the financial planner. Daddy Jim. This is Jim, and he's
Hello.
a financial planner. Is a home a good investment, Mr. Jim?
A wonderful investment.
Hold on, wait. Look what you get to come home to.
Hi, babes.